I am Crazy Look Lovers. Welcome to your channel. Today I'm going to have walk, to have small exercise because the weather is quite good enough. I'm gonna meet my friend. Yeah, it's been a long time I haven't met her because of COVID-19. So today I'm gonna see her for the first time after COVID-19 restrictions. So don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, push the notification, and leave your comment. Thank you so much. See you there. Bye.
Hi guys, finally I'm arriving at the favorite smoothie shop and ice cream shop and also food shop, coffee shop next door. See, we're gonna have ice cream, smoothie, and also coffee. Yeah, I'm gonna talk with her because she feels uncomfortable on video. So we will enjoy our quality time here after so long time. We haven't seen each other. Thank you for your assistance. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe. Take care. See you next time. Ciao.